Samsung has just delivered an unexpected win for longtime Galaxy Watch users. Despite officially reaching the end of their promised update cycle, the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic are now receiving One UI 8 watch, powered by Wear OS 6, a move that few saw coming. So what does this update mean, who's getting it first, and why is it important? Let's break it down. The Galaxy Watch 4 series launched back in August 2021, marking Samsung's first major step into Wear OS after parting ways with Tizen. At the time, Samsung committed to 4 years of OS updates, a promise that technically expired in 2025. Under normal circumstances, this would have been the end of the road, but Samsung appears to be rewriting that narrative. Samsung has begun rolling out One UI 8 watch based on Wear OS 6 to the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic, extending support beyond the original guarantee. The update is currently live in South Korea, starting with Wi-Fi models. The firmware version ends in JYK4, and this is no lightweight release. The download size exceeds 1 GB, indicating a substantial software upgrade rather than a routine security patch. This update brings the Watch 4 lineup closer to Samsung's modern smartwatch experience, aligning it with newer models in terms of interface and system features. As expected, the rollout is gradual. Samsung typically releases updates in phases, region by region, so users outside South Korea will need to wait their turn. If you're using an LTE version, patience will be especially important. Carrier approvals often slow down deployment, meaning LTE models usually receive updates later than their Wi-Fi counterparts. Interestingly, Samsung had already introduced One UI 8 watch on the Galaxy Watch FE, a 2024 model that's closely based on the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4. By extending the same software to the original Watch 4 series, Samsung is signaling continued commitment to its earlier hardware, adding real value for users who've held on to their devices. In an era where software support often ends right on schedule, this move stands out. If you're still using a Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 4 Classic, this update proves that your smartwatch still has life left in it. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates like this.